Top 3 ways to generate leads in real estate in 2023 without breaking the bank. Now, in case you didn't know, the real estate market took a big shift from a seller's market to a buyer's market, meaning sellers are having to lower their price down to make it more affordable for home buyers to purchase homes. And I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. It's not getting better anytime soon. The Fed already said they're gonna raise the rates again in December and again in 2023 February. And yeah, I know the interest rates aren't directly correlated to the mortgage rates, but the fact that they're not getting any lower doesn't help our situation. So what does that mean for us investors?
It's open season, baby.
So right now and all throughout 2023 is the best time to buy. So start building up your negotiation skills. Start adding more acquisition strategies to your tool belt. And right now I'm gonna show you the 3 top ways to generate leads in this market without breaking your pockets. Let's go. Number 3, wholesalers. Now, as an investor, I'm against identifying myself as an exit strategy. I believe if you're in this business, you should educate yourself on more than just an exit strategy. You should understand how to fix and flip. You should understand how to buy and hold. You should understand the whole shebang. Don't get me wrong. If you're new, wholesaling is a great way to get started in the game. That's how I got started. In fact, I have a 5-step video on how to get started in real estate with wholesaling. The reason why I love going to real estate meetups and meeting wholesalers, they do all the heavy lifting for me. They pull the lists, they knock the doors, they do the cold calling, they do the SMS, and they come to me whenever they have a problem. So when dealing with wholesalers in this transitional market, they're having a hard time trying to find these properties at a deeper discount because of the higher interest rates. Typically, they'll call those a dead lead. To me, that's my bread and butter. It's a perfect chance for me to get creative with strategies like subject to or novations. Now, like I said before, educate yourself before using these creative financing strategies. The last thing you want to do is get sued by the seller because you mishandled the situation. I suggest partnering with somebody that's experienced in the subject and learning from them hands-on. And now, number 2. As a recovering agent myself, I completely understand what these agents are going through. The market was just booming months ago, and now homes are sitting on the market 2-3 months, and the seller's coming at me telling me to reduce the price like something's wrong with me. But on the other side, as an investor, I'm loving it. It's a great time to work on your negotiation skills with these agents. Agents are usually focused on 2 things, their clients and their commission. And the longer the house stays on the market, the more it starts to teeter-totter, and that's just being honest. So I target 90-day plus listings. The agents are easy to work with because they share all the tea with the sellers. And they have no emotional equity in the price, so it's no need to argue with them. As long as you're straightforward and explain the plan with an agent, they usually typically will go back to the seller and explain your side of the story for them. Now, before I drop number 1, if you're getting any value from this, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for me, and leave any comments or questions below in the comment section. Appreciate it. Social media is king. You got IG, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, and the biggest platform out there, YouTube. We are in the digital era where people go online for education, entertainment, and answers to solve our problems. It's a perfect place to brand yourself and build an authority in your industry. YouTube itself is the 2nd biggest search engine, just behind Google. And the best thing is they bring your audience to you. I get DMs, calls, texts, all saying the same thing. Hey, I see you doing your content. You mind helping me with my situation? I have a seller doing this and that. Oh, I have a lead. Do you mind helping me figure out what the best thing to do? Social media is so powerful because it works for you without you even realizing it. So there you guys go. There's 3 of the top lead generations for all of 2023, and it didn't hurt your pockets at all.